Local search engine optimization, local SEO, is similar to national SEO in that it is also a process affecting the visibility of a website or a web page in a web search engine's unpaid results, SERP search engine results page, often referred to as natural, organic, or earned results. In general, the higher ranked on the search results page and more frequently a site appears in the search results list, the more visitors it will receive from the search engine's users. These visitors can then be converted into customers. Local SEO, however, differs in that it is focused on optimizing a business's online presence so that its web pages will be displayed by search engines when users enter local searches for its products or services. Ranking for local search involves a similar process to general SEO but includes some specific elements to rank a business for local search. Local SEO is a search engine optimization (SEO) strategy that helps your business be more visible in local search results on Google. Any business that has a physical location or serves a geographic area can benefit from local SEO. For example, local SEO is all about optimizing your online presence to attract more business from relevant local searches. The majority of these searches take place on Google, Yahoo, Bing, Yandex, Baidu, and other search engines, but for better optimization in your local area you should also use sites like Yelp, Angie's List, LinkedIn, local business directories, social media channels and others. The origin of local SEO can be traced back to 2003 to 2005 when search engines tried to provide people with results in their vicinity as well as additional information such as opening times of a store, listings in maps, etc. Local SEO has evolved over the years to provide a targeted online marketing approach that allows local businesses to appear based on a range of local search signals, providing a distinct difference from broader organic SEO which prioritizes relevance of search over a distance of searcher. Local searches trigger search engines to display two types of results on the search engine results page, local organic results and the local pack. The local organic results include web pages related to the search query with local relevance. These often include directories such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, etc. The local pack displays businesses that have signed up with Google and taken ownership of their Google My Business, GMB, listing. The information displayed in the GMB listing and hence in the local pack can come from different sources. The owner of the business. This information can include opening/closing times, description of products or services, etc. Information is taken from the business's website. User-provided information such as reviews or uploaded photos. Information from other sources such as social profiles, etc. Structured data taken from Wikidata and Wikipedia. Data from these sources is part of the information that appears in Google's knowledge panel in the search results. Depending on the searches, Google can show relevant local results in Google Maps or search. This is true on both mobile and desktop devices. Google has added a new Q&A features to Google Maps allowing users to submit questions to owners and allowing these to respond. This Q&A feature is tied to the associated Google My Business account. Google Business Profile, GBP, formerly Google My Business, GMB, is a free tool that allows businesses to create and manage their Google business listing. These listings must represent a physical location that a customer can visit. A Google business listing appears when customers search for businesses either on Google Maps or in Google SERPs. The accuracy of these listings is a local ranking factor. Major search engines have algorithms that determine which local businesses rank in local search. Primary factors that impact a local business's chance of appearing in local search include proper categorization in business directories, a business's name, address, and phone number, NAP, being crawlable on the website, and citations, mentions of the local business on other relevant websites like a Chamber of Commerce website. In 2016, a study using statistical analysis assessed how and why businesses ranked in the local packs and identified positive correlations between local rankings and 100+ ranking factors. Although the study cannot replicate Google's algorithm, it did deliver several interesting findings. Backlinks showed the most important correlation, and also Google's toolbar page rank, suggesting that older links are an advantage because the toolbar has not been updated in a long time. Sites with more content, hence more keywords, tended to fare better, as expected. Reviews on GMB also were found to strongly correlate with high rankings. Other GMB factors, like the presence of photos and having a verified GMB page with opening hours, showed a positive correlation with ranking, albeit not as important as reviews. The quality of citations, such as a low number of duplicates, consistency, and also a fair number of citations, mattered for a business to show in local packs. However, within the pack, citations did not influence their ranking. Citations appear to be foundational but not a competitive advantage. The authors were instead surprised that geo-targeting elements, city and state, in the title of the GMB landing page did not have any impact on GMB rankings. Hence the authors suggest using such elements only if it makes sense for usability reasons. The presence of a keyword in the business name was found to be one of the most important factors, explaining the high incidence of spam in the local pack. Schema-structured data is a ranking factor. The addition of the local business markup will enable you to display relevant information about your business to Google. This includes opening hours, address, founder, parent company information and much more. The number of reviews and overall star rating correlates with higher rankings in the Google Map pack results. Prominence, relevance, and distance are the three main criteria Google claims to use in its algorithms to show results that best match a user's query. Prominence reflects how well known is a place in the offline world. An important museum or store, for example, will be given more prominence. Google also uses information obtained on the web to assess prominence, such as review counts, links, articles. Relevance refers to Google's algorithm's attempt to surface the listings that best match the user's query. Distance refers to Google's attempt to return those listings that are the closest the location terms used in a user's query. If no location term is used, then Google will calculate distance based on what's known about their location. According to a group of local SEO experts who took part in a survey, links and reviews are more important than ever to rank locally. As a result of both Google as well as Apple offering Near Me as an option to users, some authors report on how Google Trends shows very significant increases in Near Me queries. The same authors also report that the factors correlating the most with local pack ranking for Near Me queries include the presence of the searched city and state in backlinks anchor text, as well as the use of the Near Me in internal link anchor text. An important update to Google's local algorithm, rolled out on the 1st of September 2016. Summary of the update on local search results. Businesses based outside city physical limits showed a significant increase in ranking in the Google local pack. A more restrictive filter is in place. Before the update, Google filtered listings linking to the same website and using the same phone number. After the update, listings get filtered if they have the same address and same categories, though they belong to different businesses. So, if several dentists share the same address, Google will only show one of them. As previously explained, see above, the Possum update led similar listings, within the same building, or even located on the same street, to get filtered. As a result, only one listing with greater organic ranking and stronger relevance to the keyword would be shown. After the Hawk update on August 22, 2017, this filtering seems to apply only to listings located within the same building or close by, e.g. 50 feet, but not to listings located further away, e.g. 325 feet away. As previously explained, see above, reviews are deemed to be an important ranking factor. Joy Hawkins, a Google top contributor and local SEO expert, highlights the problems due to fake reviews. Lack of an appropriate process for business owners to report fake reviews on competitors' sites. GMB support will not consider requests about businesses other than if they come from the business owners themselves. So if a competitor nearby has been collecting fake reviews, the only way to bring this to the attention of GMB is via the Google My Business forum. Unlike Yelp, Google does not show a label warning users of abnormal review behavior for those businesses that buy reviews or that receive unnatural numbers of negative reviews because of media attention. Current Google algorithms do not identify unnatural review patterns. Abnormal review patterns often do not need human gauging and should be easily identified by algorithms. As a result, both fake listings and rogue reviewer profiles should be suspended. Local SEO is a search engine optimization (SEO) strategy that helps your business be more visible in local search results on Google. Any business that has a physical location or serves a geographic area can benefit from local SEO. If you search Google for any important keywords related to your business and a map with 3 listings appears underneath it, also known as a map pack, then local SEO can help you grow your business. But to understand local SEO, you need to know how Google works first. In the early days of the internet, there were relatively few websites, so navigating the web was easy. Once the internet started to expand, however, search engines were created to allow users to find the sites they were looking for more easily. If you typed a phrase into a search engine, that phrase was matched to websites that included the keywords in your search phrase. Google used this same approach, but it quickly dominated the other search engines when it became the first search engine to use links between sites as an indication of which websites were trusted and had authority. Today Google looks at hundreds of factors both on and off your website to determine if it's relevant to display as a search result. Factors form your digital footprint, and each factor has a different weight or value, which the search engine combines to return results. Your digital footprint determines whether or not you're a top result to an inquiry that a user types into Google. When you type a search phrase into Google, it checks the pattern of various website signals, or ranking factors, such as how relevant your site is, to return a list of sites that match your search. Most people don't realize that Google isn't doing a live search of the entire internet every time someone types something into the search bar. It's actually searching a stored copy of all of the sites that Google has discovered. This copy is called the Google Index. To form the index, Google uses small programs called spiders to crawl the web. Each spider works the same way. It starts on a single page, then follows the links on that page, looking at content on the next pages, and so on. As web content gets crawled, it's stored in Google servers, and the index is built. The spiders work at a mind-blowing scale, constantly crawling trillions of pages at an incredibly fast pace. This ensures that the index is as up-to-date as possible and new sites and connections are discovered quickly. Google uses various processes to rank hundreds or thousands of sites in the blink of an eye. These processes are called algorithms. When you Google something, an algorithm checks the index and returns a list of websites that match your search in organic results. Those results are chosen and ranked based on relevance, prominence, and popularity given by inbound links. The algorithm looks at various on-site and off-site factors to determine which websites have something related to your search. All of the relevant sites are added to the list, which is then ranked by prominence. Again, referring to the various on-site and off-site factors, the algorithm determines which sites best answer your search query, and those sites are listed at the top of the search results. Improving your SEO influences both relevancy, prominence, and link popularity factors for your website. If the right elements of your site's digital footprint are optimized, your site shows up higher in more search results. What about local organic search results? After analyzing the behavior of users during trillions of searches, Google figured out that people seeking certain types of businesses need results from their immediate area. That's why Google's local search algorithm includes a proximity factor, which is a fancy way of saying that Google takes your location into account when you search for a local keyword, a query with local intent. This happens even when the searcher doesn't include a city name or near me in their search. If you're at work and want to get a pizza delivered for lunch, for example, Googling pizza delivery shows a list of locations near your office in its local SERPS, search engine result pages. But if you try that same search at home, you'll get an entirely different set of results. This makes sense, considering you need a pizza delivered from somewhere nearby. Local search has been around for years, but it was limited due to people only using their desktop computers. With the recent growth in mobile internet access, however, mobile search has exploded, so local SEO has become hugely important for the success of any business offering local products or services and local marketers. What does this mean to search marketers? While the local map pack is displayed within the standard Google organic search listings, separate algorithms power the main Google search results for local rankings and the local map pack results. As a local business, you have the opportunity to appear within both the main organic search results and the local map pack at the same time. If you're new to marketing your business online, one of the main challenges is knowing what you should focus on to make your efforts as effective as possible. Marketing analytics software company Moz posts its annual local search ranking factors survey, which includes the top 35 to 40 worldwide experts in local SEO. Its results provide the best insights into which factors influence local search visibility. Localized content and local link popularity are factors, just as it is in Google's traditional search algorithm, so it's important to build local landing pages for each of your locations, especially if you're a multiple location business where you should include not only your business name but also its details like address and phone, as well as optimize their titles, tags, meta descriptions, and follow SEO best practice. This should be taken into consideration as well in your content marketing and link building strategy. Additionally, location-based factors like having a business listing in Google My Business, local citations from data aggregators, and review signals that should be published by your local customers are also taken into consideration in your local-oriented SEO rankings, and as consequence you should also take them into consideration in your local SEO efforts. It's also important to note that there are SEO tools focused on local search that can help you to develop local-oriented SEO audits, from developing keyword research focused on your local audience, building citations, managing Google My Business listings, business profile, and Google Posts, and even monitor your inclusion in local packs. Website content is a significant factor, just as it is in Google's traditional search algorithm, but location-based factors like Google My Business, citations, and review signals are also included. Now that you have a better understanding of SEO basics and how Google ranks local search results, you can start to concentrate on signals that will optimize your site's digital footprint in the local-oriented search ecosystem. This way your business can show up higher on the results page, which can lead to more potential customers finding your business. There are many factors that influence your visibility in these searches, but keep in mind that local search continues to grow and change. To keep up with what signals are increasing and decreasing in importance, you can refer to Moz's annual survey to form your strategy playbook. Once you start to improve each important signal area, you'll be able to serve more people in your geographic region and grow faster. Thank you for watching this video.